from Tenerife. After yesterday's arrival, I had a few beers in the afternoon. Didn't end brilliantly because I ended up falling asleep. But I've come out this morning now. I say this morning, it's about 11:15, but I've had a little swim in the pool already. I've walked down here to the seafront and I'm going to indulge in a nice English breakfast. Have a look at this. Right, I'm going to get on and eat this and I'll see you in a minute. This is quite nice, I can tell you. Really nice and a lovely coffee. Yeah. There, look at that. One breakfast and a coffee, €10. You won't get a breakfast that big in the UK unless you go to Wetherspoons for €10. That was really nice breakfast. Nice start you off for the day. Right, let's go for a little walk, see what it's about. Loads of restaurants galore along here, you can't go wrong. That one was the Winchester, very popular out here, right at the far end of the seafront. Fancy a walk along the beach. Sand in the toes and all that. Let's give it a go. Lovely relaxing sound of the waves. Take a look at this for a little while. Quite hypnotic, isn't it? Yes, my feet did get wet. Well, I've got my sandals on. Cools you down. Ooh. I don't mind walking in the sea, but I don't want to drop this phone. Yeah, they're coming in fast now. Look at that, lovely, that's natural blue that is. Right, look at head up that way. get everywhere, don't they? I know I might be a little bit weird, but I just could not sit on a beach for hours on end. If you're on holiday, I want to walk about and see places, don't you? Or is it me? Nice little bar on the beach there. Where you'd be paying beach prices. Well, that was Playa Fanabe. We just walked along there. Quite pleasant. It's a lovely, relaxing little walk. Hope it chilled you out. You can join me later on. We'll be doing something else. See you soon. Bye.